Good evening. You have the Howells here ready to do the spicy chip challenge.
We both love spicy.
So we're gonna check this out.
We got our glove on because
Yes, we've heard that you should wear a glove just in case any spicy residue is left over.
typically,
Oh, I thought it was larger than this.
yeah, it ain't pretty big. We should be able to bite that out. And we're splitting it, so we're kind of cheating. But
Alright, so this is what to expect. A spicy punch, scorpion sting, a vision disruptor, and a gut slash. Not splash, a gut slash.
probably both.
Do you want to open it?
Okay.
Don't touch it with your bare hand. Oh, we also have some milk and then also some peanut butter chocolate ice cream, just in case we need to tone down the spice.
Almost touched it with my bare hand. Okay, so
Is that the whole thing?
that's the whole thing.
Alright, why don't you break it in half and
Alright. Now there's some. We'll each take half.
alright, so
What if I do this?
here, I'll take these smaller pieces.
Okay.
Okay. Do you want to take the first bite or do you want me to take the first bite?
I'm thinking about just
Doing it
doing it
at
all.
once.
What do you think?
It's probably the best route to take. Okay, at the same time?
Yeah.
Alright. Ready?
Ready?
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Jason.
Spicy. Whoa. Oh. Yeah. It's hot.
I would have to say that my ears are really hot right about now. You know what?
Yeah.
I forgot tissue just in case we have watery eyes.
I got the hiccups. All right. Well, we got that over with.
Are we gonna try to see how long we could go without milk or ice cream?
I'm ready for milk and ice cream. Are you?
Mm-hmm.
I got the hiccups.
That means it's hot.
I know it. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm having some milk.
You do. Cheers. That's super hot.
I don't know that that's calmed anything down really.
Mm-mm. Wow. Wow.
Is your nose watering too?
Mm-hmm. Oh man. It's hot.
Do you feel delirious yet?
No visions as of yet. What do you think, Maddox? That's hot.
Did you? Maddox, you didn't even get a bite of it.
I don't know.
He's wondering what we're doing. Oh, it gets hotter.
I know. I'm gonna get some tissues.
It's like right in the back of the throat. It's really super hot. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Don't get any residue.
I know, right? Woo! Son. Wow.
It's really spicy still. So,
The ice cream's delicious. What do you think, Maddox?
what's going on, Maddox?
Is that scary?
He doesn't have a clue what we just ate. He's not even sure that he really wants any of it either.
Come here. Can you smell that? Can you say hi to everybody? Look at it. Where is it? It's too hot for you.
Maddox says Dad smells spicy.
Mm.
It's still really spicy.
Thanks, Jason.
Thanks for the chip, Jason. My stomach's like on fire now.
Me too.
Everything from my mouth down to my stomach is
Burning.
super burning.
And that's just a half a chip we had.
All right.
We just went out for a fish fry. So at least we're not doing this on an empty stomach.
Yeah, we decided to have a normal meal first. Don't clear your throat because that brings it back.
Oh man. I'm just trying not to think about it. What do you think? You're like, you'll take some ice cream. Hmm? We should have saved you a little piece. You wouldn't like it. Would you? Like hot?
Probably not. Well, I think it's finally starting to tone a little bit down.
What do you think, man? Where's that?
Get down.
Where's that?
Can we stop recording? Ew.
Woo!